WorldProfit 2025 Year in Review, a powerful year of growth, innovation, and added value for members, a transformative year for online entrepreneurs. As we close the chapter on 2025, the entire team at WorldProfit is filled with immense pride and gratitude. This has been a year of unprecedented growth, groundbreaking innovation, and most importantly, record-breaking success for our members worldwide. For over 3 decades, our mission has been to provide the tools, training, and support necessary for anyone to build a successful online business. In 2025, we didn't just uphold that mission, we elevated it to new heights. This year in review is a celebration of the milestones we achieved together, a testament to the power of our platform, the dedication of our team, and the incredible ambition of our home business community. Let's dive into the key highlights that made 2025 a truly powerful year. Unprecedented growth and community expansion. 2025 saw a remarkable surge in entrepreneurs joining the WorldProfit family. We welcome thousands of new Silver and Platinum VIP members from every corner of the globe, each bringing their unique goals and drive to our community. This growth wasn't just in numbers, it was in the vibrancy and collaborative spirit of our network. Key growth metrics: 35% increase in new members, a clear indicator that the demand for legitimate, comprehensive online business training is stronger than ever. Record commission payouts. We paid out more in commissions to our members in 2025 than any previous year, reflecting the real-world success they are achieving by promoting our services and their own affiliate programs. Based on our service, with our expanded global reach, our community now proudly represents over 120 countries, creating a diverse and dynamic environment for learning and partnership. Member success stories have been the fuel for our fire. From individuals earning their first ever online commission to seasoned marketers scaling their businesses to 6 figures, the testimonials we received have been both humbling and inspiring. A leap forward in technological innovation. At the core of WorldProfit is a commitment to providing cutting-edge technology. In 2025, our development team worked tirelessly to roll out significant platform enhancements and entirely new tools designed to give our members a competitive edge. The launch of AI Marketing Copilot. The single biggest innovation of the year was the introduction of our AI Marketing Copilot. This suite of artificial intelligence tools is now fully integrated into the member area, revolutionizing how our members create content, write ad copy, and generate marketing ideas. The Copilot helps members generate high-converting ad copy, create compelling headlines and descriptions for traffic campaigns in seconds, write engaging blog posts and articles, overcome writer's block with AI-assisted content creation for SEO and lead generation, craft professional emails, develop effective email marketing sequences for our included autoresponder service, analyze marketing trends, gain insights into what's working now in the digital landscape. Teseo Website Management Center 3.0, we completely overhauled the Website Management Center, giving members more power and flexibility over their online presence. The new version features a drag-and-drop landing page builder, an expanded library of professional templates, and enhanced e-commerce capabilities for Platinum VIP members. Enriched training and expanded support. WorldProfit was founded by 2 pillars: technology and training. This year, we doubled down on our commitment to live interactive education, led by our co-founder and bootcamp instructor, George Koch. Training highlights: over 100 live weekly training sessions. George Koch continued his legendary streak of live, over-the-shoulder bootcamp training every single week, providing real-time guidance and demonstrating proven marketing strategies. New specialized workshops. We introduced monthly deep dive workshops on specific topics like YouTube marketing, advanced SEO, and paid traffic arbitrage, providing members with expert level skills. 24/7 Live Business Center monitors. Our unique Live Business Center, which helps close sales for our members around the clock, was staffed with more trained monitors than ever before, ensuring no lead is ever missed. Expanded PLR product vault. We added over 500 new high-quality private label rights products to our vault, giving members fresh content and digital products to use as lead magnets or to sell for 100% profit. Our world-class support system also saw enhancements with faster ticket response times and an expanded knowledge base, ensuring members get the help they need when they need it. Added value: more tools, more traffic, more opportunities. We believe in constantly adding value without increasing cost for our members. 2025 was a banner year for this philosophy. New exclusive traffic sources. We secured partnerships with 5 new high-quality traffic providers, offering our members exclusive discounts and bonus credits to fuel their campaigns. Enhanced Affiliate Program Center. We redesigned the Affiliate Program Center to make it even easier for members to find and promote top-performing affiliate programs across various niches. Integrated Social Media Scheduler. A new tool was added to the member area, allowing users to schedule social media posts across multiple platforms directly from their WorldProfit dashboard, saving time and increasing efficiency. Looking ahead to 2026, 2025 was a year of building, growing, and achieving together. We pushed the boundaries of what an online business platform can be, and the results speak for themselves through the success of our members. But we are not resting on our laurels. The roadmap for 2026 is already filled with exciting new projects, including further AI integrations, mobile app enhancements, and even more ways for our members to generate traffic and income. We extend a heartfelt thank you to every member of the World Profit community. Your trust, feedback, and dedication are the cornerstones of our success. For those still on the sidelines wondering if you can build a successful business online, we invite you to see what makes our community different. The tools are here, the training is live, and the support is unwavering. Here's to an even more prosperous and innovative 2026.